Alright, I'm going to do another word problem example from G4 for 7th grade math. Again, we're going to look at what measurements given. We're going to look at how do we know, for example, is that going to be a radius, diameter, circumference, or area value? We're going to find what we need to know, which formula we need, do we need to change anything to use in the formula, and what other information do I need? There's a problem on the stuff I sent home that says something along the lines of, I have a circle, its diameter is 6. I don't know what the units are. I call it 6 centimeters. What's the area of this circle? And that's basically what you get in the problem. So you can write down what you know. And you know that your diameter equals 6 centimeters. And you know that we're going to use pi in our formulas as 3.14. And you might want to write down, hey, I know this pi r squared is a formula for area. What do I need to know? Well, I want to know the area. All right. So my plan here, my work, I want to use the area formula, but the area formula needs a radius, and I don't have that right here. I do know that the diameter is twice the radius, or the radius is half the diameter. So to get the radius, because I need it for this, you rarely have to get the diameter. You can always use the other circumference formula. To get the radius from a diameter, divide by 2. Divide the diameter by 2. So my diameter is 6. If I divide 6 centimeters by 2, that's 3 centimeters. That's your radius. Okay. So now I can use my area formula. Area equals pi times the radius squared. And again, if it's just next to each other like that, it's multiplied. And r squared means just the same thing as saying times r times r. So you have the radius times in there twice. All right, so my area is going to be pi, I'm going to use 3.14. And my radius is 3. And my radius is 3. Now in my mind it's easier to do 3 times 3 before I do the 3.14, but I can go left to right. Or you can plug it in a calculator, which again I haven't got in my hand right now. Left to right, 3.14 times 3. 4 times 3 is 12. 3 times 1 is 3, plus the 1. 3 times 3 is 9, times 3. And 9.42, so 3 times 2 is 6. 3 times 4 is 12. Carry the 1. 3 times 9 is 27, plus 1 is 28. And if we had done what I did last time, put the units in there. I had centimeters and centimeters twice. So it's going to be centimeters squared. Also, because it's an area, you can have square units. I want to say that was option B on problem number 3 that looked like that. I'm going to do a little more complicated one for my next video.